Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exams questions taken from the previous papers, and today I'll explain you the question and answers. Which of the following items comes under non-tax revenue of the government? Dividends, interest receipts, spectrum charges, RTA application fees, purchase of firms, magazines by students, etc. Which bank has launched a new product KBL Micro Mitra for micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs? Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank has launched a new product KBL Micro Mitra, wherein financial assistance up to 10 lakhs can be provided to micro, manufacturing and service enterprises either for working capital or for the investment purposes. The facility comes with a simplified procedure and competitive rate of interest. What is the full form of EOI? Expression of interest. The government intended to come out with a EOI, strategic disinvestment of IDBI share. So this will be completed by December 2021. What is the full form of RLLR? Repo linked lending rate. The repo rate is the interest rate at which the RBI lends money to commercial bank against the government securities. So RBI will take government securities from the commercial bank and they'll give money to the commercial banks. It is subject to review once in a 2 months, and banks are required to reset their lending rates at least once in a 3 months. So this rate will be changing minimum once in a 3 months. What is the full form of ECLGS? Economic Expansion Extended Emergency Credit. This was issued during the COVID time. So this ECLGS was a part of 20 lakhs core comprehensive package announced by the Finance Ministry on 13th May 2020 to aid micro, small, medium enterprises sector in view of economic distress caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. What is the full form of SAF? Supervisory Action Framework. RBI imposes rupees 30 lakhs penalty on Janata Sarkari Bank, Pune for non-compliance with certain directions. RBI under the Supervision Action Framework and RBI directs on frauds in UCBS, changes in monitoring and reporting mechanism. For example, any financial institution, they are not following these rules. Under the SAF, RBI can penalize the banks or financial institutions. Which are the services will be covered under micro ATM, cash withdrawals and checking account balance. Micro ATMs will be operated by the business correspondents. In a small places, there won't be any banking services. Business correspondents, BC, will be operating transactions like cash withdrawals and check customer balances through micro ATMs. What is the full form of SFB? Small Financial Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has issued license to the consortium of Centrium and BharatPe to set up a small financial bank. So a new license to a small financial bank. The lender to be, so this bank name will be Unity Small Financial Bank, will start operating few weeks with at least 1500 crores loan book. So if they have 1500 loans on their records, they can start their operations. This bank name will be Unity Small Financial Bank. The SFB will take over the urban cooperative lender Punjab and Maharashtra Bank over a period. RBI cancelled 6 NBFCs on October 12, 2021. Non-banking financial companies. So they have cancelled licenses for the below companies. Which organization started Buy Now Pay Later product? Started by One Mobilink System. So you buy today and pay later. This was issued by MobiKwik. Which organization launched ClickPay? PhonePe, NPCI, Bharat Bill Pay Limited. So collaboration with PhonePe, NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited issued the Click and Pay. This will be normally you can do a one-time payment. With this Click and Pay, you can pay your monthly generated bills also without remaining every month. Once you give a instructions, every month these will be paid, like electricity, water, gas, loan EMIs. These can be paid through new service, Click Pay. What is the full form of DAAF? Depositor Education Awareness Fund. In any bank or any financial institution, if any unclaimed amount laying in their account, customer account, if it is more than 10 years, these amounts should be transferred to DEAF, Depositor Education Awareness Fund. If you are not following this rule, RBI can fine on any institution. What is the full form of SEC? US Securities and Exchange Commission. US regulators would approve the launch of exchange traded fund based on its future contracts. The US Security Exchange Commission is to allow first US Bitcoin future ETF to begin trading next week. What is the full form of INVIT? Infrastructure Investment Trust. So recently ILFS has sought approval from the National Company Law Tribunal to move 5 highway assets to Infrastructure Investment Trust. Details are given below, you can read it. What is the full form of CAMP? Center for Agriculture Marketing and Processing. Bank of Baroda on Saturday launched a centralized agri loan processing unit across 16 zonal offices. The Center for Agriculture Marketing and Process, the unit is dedicated credit delivery model with a focus on financing non-traditional agriculture product and handling agri-market activities. What is the full form of VRR? Variable Rate Reverse Repo. What is the full form of LRS? Liberalized Remittance Scheme. Outward remittance under the LRS for individuals increased by 31%. So outward remittance means sending money from India to other country. This can be for the education or medical, any other purpose. What is the full form of ITAT? Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Indian's Income Tax Appellate Tribunal was set up on 25th January 1941 and it was the first experiment in tribunalization in the history of India. It is second appellate authority under the direct taxes and first independent forum it is in its appellate hierarchy. Parent organization is Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Legal Affairs. What is the full form of UIDAI? Unique Identification Authority of India. So all your Aadhaar card will be issued through UIDAI. Headquarters in New Delhi. Founder is Government of India and started their operations on 20th January 2009. What is the full form of AEPS? Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. AEPS transactions will be performed through BC partners. So where bank doesn't have any branch, they want to do a transaction through BC partners, AEPS is enabled for these type of transactions. One transaction maximum limit will be 10,000 rupees. What is the full form of VRS? Voluntary Retirement Scheme. So normally an employee will retire on the retirement age. It may be 58 years or 60 or 62. But VRS will allow you to retire your services before the retirement date. So before 58 years, it can be 58, it can be 56, it can be 50 or it can be 48. This scheme allows companies to reduce the strength of employees. So if you take VRS, so your strength will be reduced. It can be implemented by both public and private sector. Any company can implement VRS scheme. VRS is also known as golden shake hand. You will give a lump sum amount to the employee and will give him retirement. What is the full form of EGM? Extraordinary General Body Meeting. Normally, annual General Body Meeting will be conducted once in a year. Other than AGM, if you are conducting any EGM for the specialized purpose, you want to take some approval for a specialized, it can be some bonus, or it can be split, or it can be any other activity. If you are conducting other than any AGM, it will be called Extraordinary General Body Meeting. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.